Do teacher and hello everyone. My name is Supanat. I'm 13 years old. Nowadays, I'm a student of Edward International School, Branch, studying English 1A book. Today, I'm going to tell all of you of a topic called my mom. My mom is very kind and gentle. She cooks food for me and my family every day. She reads me the story before bedtime. She always smiles a lot and she makes me happy. I help her wash the dish. My mom takes me to school in the morning. I love my mom very much. She is the best mom in the world. Finally, I would like to say thank you teacher and everyone for your listening to my presentation.